SizeFull. Included components: 1 comforter, 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, 2 pillowcase, 2 shams and 1 bedskirt. ColorBlue outer space satellites. Age range. Description: kids, 5 to 8 years, 8 to 12 years. StyleCasual. BrandDream FACTORY. 60% cotton, 40% poly. Imported. Easy decorating. Dream Factory bedding can help you quickly style a fashionably fun kids' outer space theme bedroom with planets, satellites and the space shuttle. 8-piece set includes 1 comforter, 76 by 86 inches, 1 flat sheet, 81 by 96 inches, 1 fitted sheet, 54 by 76 plus 10 pocket, 2 pillowcase, 20 by 30 inches, 2 shams, 20 by 26 inches, and 1 bed skirt, 54 by 76 plus 14 drop. Versatile prints. Our bed in a bag makes decorating easy. With one-stop shopping, all pieces are color coordinated and are designed to conveniently complement each other. Durable soft comforter. Sham face reverse, 60% cotton 40% polyester, comforter fill, 100% polyester, sheet set, 60% cotton 40% polyester, 180 thread count, bedskirt, drop, 60% cotton 40% polyester. Easy care machine. Washable cotton polyester fabric. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect bedding for planet lovers. This was perfect for my son's first big boy bed. Good quality and the set includes everything. I will agree with the other reviews that the material is stiff when you first purchase it, but after the first wash it was completely fine. Didn't lose its color or form after drying. Good bang for your buck. I would definitely recommend.